Assalamu alaikum class. I am your maths teacher from Light School. Open page number 9, multiplication. Here are some important lines. To multiply a number with powers of 10, places zeros on the right and move the number towards the left. Example, when we multiply this number by 10, then we just write 0 in answer and this value remains same. When we multiply a number by 100, then we just write these two 0 in answer, remaining value will be same. Multiply by 1000, we just add 3 zeros in here and remaining value is same like this. Next page. In multiplication, first value is called multiplicand and second value is called multiplier and the answer is called product. When a number is multiplied by 1, the result remains the same. Example, when we multiply 45 by 1, then answer is 45. And when a number is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. Example, when we multiply 23 by 0, then we get answer 0. Division. To divide a number with powers of 10, remove zeros and move the number towards the right. Examples, when we divide this number by 10, then we just remove this 0 in answer and remaining part is your answer. Divide by 100, here are two zeros, so we cancel 2 0 and remaining part is your answer. Divide by 1000, 3 0 cancel and remaining part is your answer. Division is the inverse of the multiplication. In division, this value is called dividend and this value is divisor and answer is quotient and this is remainder. Properties of numbers, commutative laws. The commutative law of addition and multiplication states that the result remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. Example, if we add 20 plus 16 and change order 16 plus 20, answer will be 36. Same in multiplication, 11 multiply 10, change order 10 multiply 11, answer will be same. Associative laws. The associative law of numbers over addition and multiplication states that when we add or multiply the numbers by grouping them differently, the result will be same. For example, we group here 10 plus 8 and here 9 plus 10. Answer will be same. This is associative law of addition. In multiplication, we group 10 multiply 8 and here 9 multiply 10. When we multiply these three values, answer is 720. This is associative law of addition. Distributive laws. If A, B and C are the three numbers, the distributive law of multiplication over addition states that A multiply into B plus C is equal to, first we write A multiply B plus then A multiply C. This is equal to AB plus AC. This is distributive law. Now I am going to solve exercise 1C on page 14. Fill in the blanks. This number multiplied dash is equal to this number. Here we know that in answer just 3 0 add, so here 1000. Dash multiply 100 is equal to this. When we multiply any number by 100, then we add 0 in answer, so this 0 we cancel here and remaining part is your answer. Multiply these two values, then we get this one answer. If this number is divided by 10, the remainder is 5. This number divided by 100 is equal to dash. We know that when we divide a number by 100, then we cancel 2 0 in answer, so remaining part is your answer. True false. 3 multiply 9 plus 8 is equal to 3 multiply 9 plus 3 multiply 8. This is distributive law, so it is correct. 7 multiply 6 multiply 2 is equal to 7 multiply 6 multiply 2. This is associative law of multiplication, so it is also true. 4 multiply 8 minus 6 is equal to 4 multiply 8 minus 4 multiply 6. This is distributive law over subtraction, so it is also true. Associative law is true for subtraction, false. This is only true for multiplication and addition. Dividing two numbers always remains a remainder, false. Question number 3. Select the correct answer for the given options. This number divided by 100 is equal to, in division we just remove these two 0, remaining part is your answer, so remaining part is 1000, so it is true. The smallest 6-digit number multiplied by 100 gives. The smallest 6-digit number is this, multiply 100, then we get this answer, so this is 10 million. Associative law is true for addition, expansion, division and subtraction, so it is true, addition. This number divided by 13, when we divide these two numbers, then we get this one answer. When we multiply these two values, then we get this one answer. Question number 4. Multiply the following numbers by 10. When we multiply a number by 10, we just add 0 in unit place column. So this is your answer. Multiply by 10. So we add this 0 in your answer, and this one also same. Multiply. Question number 5. Multiply the following numbers by 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros. So we add 2 0 in your answer. This one also same. Question number 6. Question number 6. Multiply the following numbers by 1000. In 1000 there are 3 zeros, so we just add 3 zeros in your answer. This one also same. Question number 7. Divide the following numbers by 10. When we divide a number by 10, there are 1 0, so we just raise 1 0 in answer, and remaining part is answer. Here this 0 is cancelled and remaining part is your answer. This one also same. Question number 8. Divide the following numbers by 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros, so we just 2 0 raise in answer. This one also same. Question number 9. Divide the following numbers by 1000. There are 3 zeros, so 3 0 cancel and remaining part is your answer. This one also same. Next question we solve on white. Exercise 1C, page number 15, question number 11. A part, multiply these numbers. We write in vertical form, then we multiply one by one with all numbers. 900, 900, 9 to the 18, 8, 1 carry, 9 1 the 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 9 the 81 plus 1 82, 2, 8 carry, 9 to the 18 plus 2 plus 8, 26. Now we multiply second number. First we write here multiply or 0. 3 0 0, 3 0 0, 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 27, 7 2 carry, 3 to the 6 plus 2 8. Now we add these values 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 6 6, 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 7 13, 3 1 carry, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. This is your answer. Next question is also same. Here are 3 digits, so we multiply one by one. 1 to the 2, 1 1 the 1, 1 9 the 9, 1 8 the 8, 1 5 the 5, 1 7 the 7. Now we multiply second digit. First we write here multiply or 0. 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 27, 7 2 carry, 3 8 the 24 plus 2 26, 6 2 carry, 3 5 the 15 plus 2 17, 7 1 carry, 3 7 the 21 plus 1 22. Now we multiply third number. First we write here 2 multiply or 2 0. 2 1 the 2, 1 1 the 1, 1 9 the 9, 1 8 the 8, 1 5 the 5, 1 7 the 7. Now we add these 3. Now we add these values, then you get your answer. Next questions are also same. Question number 12, divide these numbers. First of all, we write table of 24. This is table of 24. Now we divide. This is 43. We take number which is 43 or less than 43. This is 48, so we take 24. 24 1 the 24. Now we minus. 43 minus 24, 19. Now bring down 2. This is 192. Now we look here where 192. This is 24 8 the 192. So we write here and 8 on this on here. Subtract these two numbers to get 0. So we bring down 5 and 5 is less than 24. So we take another number 6, bring down 6. When we bring down two numbers at the same time, then we write 0 in your answer. This is 56. Now we take 48 because 48 is smaller than 56. 56 minus 48, 8. Now bring down 1. This is 81. 81 is 24 multiplied 4, 96, which is bigger number. 24 multiplied 3, 72. So we take 72. 24, 3 the 72. Now subtract these two numbers. We get remainder 9. Next questions are also same.